Welcome to our comprehensive HR checklist tool demo. Today, I'll show you how this powerful platform can streamline your HR processes and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Selecting HR checklist categories. First, let's explore our extensive library of HR checklists. As you can see on the main dashboard, we offer a complete range of HR functions, from talent acquisition and interview processes to employee onboarding, performance reviews, and HR compliance. Each category is designed to address specific organizational needs. Whether you're looking to improve your recruitment strategy, enhance workplace safety, or manage employee exits more effectively, we have you covered. For this demo, let's focus on talent acquisition. I'll click on Generate Checklist to get started. Step 2. Customizing sections and subsections. Now comes the powerful customization feature. The system presents you with all the key components of talent acquisition, and you can select exactly what your organization needs. As you can see, we have main sections like pre-recruitment planning, job posting and sourcing, interview process, reference and background checks, offer and negotiation, application screening, and initial assessment. But here's where it gets really useful. Each section expands to show detailed subsections. For example, under pre-recruitment planning, you can choose specific tasks like conducting needs assessments, creating job descriptions, or determining salary ranges. Notice how each subsection has its own detailed checklist items. Under conducting needs assessment with hiring manager, you'll find specific action items like scheduling in-depth meetings, discussing team structure, and identifying critical skills gaps. This granular control means you're building a checklist that's perfectly tailored to your organization's workflow and requirements. Step 3. Generating the customized checklist. Once you've selected all the relevant sections and subsections for your needs, simply click Submit at the bottom. The system now processes your selections and generates a comprehensive, customized checklist that's ready to use. This takes just seconds, and you'll have a professional, structured checklist that ensures consistency across your hiring process. Step 4. Using the generated checklist. Here's your generated checklist in action. Notice how it's organized with clear progress tracking. You can see we're at 1 out of 5 completed tasks in the needs assessment section and 3 out of 3 in the salary determination section. Each item can be checked off as you complete it, giving you real-time visibility into your progress. The hierarchical structure makes it easy to navigate through major phases and detailed tasks. Your team can access this checklist anytime by clicking View Checklist, making it a living document that guides your entire recruitment process from start to finish. You can regenerate checklist by clicking on leftmost button with regeneration icon. Step 5. Sharing and exporting options. Finally, let's look at the powerful sharing capabilities. Click on the Share button and you'll see multiple options for distributing your checklist. You can generate a shareable link, perfect for sending to team members or stakeholders. For added security, we offer password protection. Simply toggle on password protection, set your password, and the system generates a secure link that requires authentication to access. You can also save your checklist as a PDF for offline use, printing, or archiving. This is particularly useful for compliance documentation or when you need physical copies for meetings. The flexibility means your checklist works however your team works. Whether that's digital collaboration, secure sharing with external partners, or traditional printed formats. And that's how simple it is to create, customize, and share professional HR checklists with our platform. In just a few minutes, you've gone from selecting a category to having a comprehensive, actionable checklist that's perfectly suited to your organization's needs. This tool ensures consistency, improves compliance, and helps your HR team deliver exceptional results every time. Ready to transform your HR processes? Let's get started.